What's up internet, Dinul Perera here. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dinul Perera and I'm a software engineer. I'm a graduate of Java Institute, and in the recent time I started making YouTube videos, and in these videos I share content which is basically regarding software engineering, in the field of software engineering. So if you are interested in software engineering, this is the channel for you. So you can click on that subscribe button and hit that bell icon and get notified by the latest content of this channel. So today we are going to discuss question number 14 of the database management video series. So as I said in the previous videos, this is an extension of main question number 11, and in the previous video I discussed question number 13. That in that question I made 4 tables, and in this question I have one more table to create for that database. That is the last table that I am going to create for this table, for this database. So let's go check it out how I am going to do it. So in this question I am asked to create a table called invoice, because the store owner says that for this software he needs to get a description. He needs to get a description of the goods sold at the end of the day. To do this, I am supposed to create a table called invoice. Okay, so because he wants to get a description of the goods sold at the end of the day. Okay, so here's the thing. Now a customer gains the products by giving money, and in this database, as you can see, I'll show you the database. This is the database. So a customer buys products. So I'll just switch these two tables right here. So I have these two main tables. So a customer can buy a product. And the thing is, so when one customer can buy any number of products, that is one to many, and one product can be bought by many customers, that is also one to many. So the thing is, in database management system, so actually this is a relational database management system. In a relational database management system, a many to many relationship does not exist. That many to many relationship is broken down into two parts, that is one to many relationships. That means you break up one many to many function to two parts, that is a one to many function and another one to many function. So let's see how that works using the MySQL Workbench. So I click on, so as this function is many to many, I click on many to many icon here. Then first what I do is I click on this button, then this one. So as you can see, a new table automatically has arisen, because the system internally identifies this as a many to many relationship once we select this. So this is not a direct link, so an intermediate table has to be created. But there's one more problem, that is this connection. But if you want, you can keep it as it is, so it won't be repeated. So because a customer ID is also unique and a product ID is also unique, you can make this unique as well. And also I think the best thing is you just select this table right here, just double click on it. So this intermediate table, the practical name we use is invoice, as the question says. So let's check out the table. In this table you have four columns. The first one is the invoice ID, invoice underscore ID, invoice underscore ID has automatic trigger, and the next one I have the date, okay. Now instead of okay, as I use the system itself, I'll just separately use now this I explained that when you connect the customer and the product table and the intermediate table is created, that is the invoice table. Now this invoice table I'll just create it manually. Now I'll just undo all the processes. Okay, once I undo it, I'll just create another table manually here. And I'll call it the invoice table. Okay. Now this is the invoice table. My first column is invoice ID with auto increment. Then I have date. Data type is date. Now then goes quantity. Quantity by. I'll just give it an int because the quantity is always in int and not null. Then finally, the invoice has the total price. Just give it total. The type is double. This is also not. So that is the invoice table. So that is the end of this question. Now there are certain relationships. Now we have about 7 tables in the database. Now these tables are interconnected, as this is a relational database. Still this is not a relational database, this is a normal database, but once we use the relationships to connect these tables, this becomes a relational database. So let's see how we are going to design that relational database in the next video. So this is the end of the question number 14 of the database management video series. So I'll meet you guys in the next video, that is question number 15. See you guys then. Bye guys.